Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Nissan Altima license plate light. First, gather your tools. You'll need a flathead screwdriver and a new 168 or 194 bulb. Before you begin, make sure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is engaged for your safety. You'll find the two license plate light housings located just above your rear license plate. Now, let's get to the old bulb. Take your flathead screwdriver and gently pry open the clear plastic cover of the light housing. Be careful not to apply too much force. Once the cover is off, you'll see the bulb socket. Give it a slight twist counterclockwise to unlock it, then pull the entire socket out. Finally, carefully pull the old bulb straight out of the socket. With the old bulb removed, it's time for the new one. Simply insert your new 168 or 194 bulb firmly into the socket. Before fully reassembling, turn on your vehicle's headlights to ensure the new bulb illuminates. If it does, reinsert the socket back into the housing and twist it clockwise to secure it. Finally, snap the clear plastic cover back into place until you hear a click, ensuring it's sealed. You're almost done. Take a moment to confirm that both of your license plate lights are now working correctly. For optimal and consistent brightness, it's often a good idea to replace both bulbs at the same time. And hey, if you're looking for ways to simplify your daily routine, check out the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, plus other great deals you won't want to miss. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.